The National Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a tornado warning for central Williamson County until 11:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Sun City, or near Saraneta, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and golf ball size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Taylor, Granger, Saraneta, Leander, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Sun City, Granger Dam, and Ice, Fian, Lanaport, Hoxie, Waterloo, Hare, Wahlberg, and Schwertner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
The leading edge of the storm, 45 miles per hour. It's going to be moving in areas like Wahlberg,
Damage is likely. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Taylor, Granger, Saraneta, Leander, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Sun City, Granger Dam, and Ice, Fian, Lanaport, Hoxie, Waterloo, Hare, Wahlberg, and Schwertner. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Whoa.
People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Park, Georgetown, Taylor, Granger, Saraneta, Leander, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Granger Dam, Lanaport, Waterloo, Schwertner, and Jonah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
No way.
The National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Williamson County until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 10:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe along a line extending from near Bartlett to near Liberty Hill, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, golf ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact. Stores will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows. Damage to roofs,
Jesus.
siding.
Come on.
Toll, Bartlett, Liberty Hill, Gerald, Thrall, Weir, Georgetown Dam, Granger Dam, Sun City, Lanaport, Waterloo, Schwertner, and Jonah. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Everything's A-OK when learning and fun come together as one.
Sounds like if a weather radio fell behind the TV.
Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
That was a TOR that was issued in WHAS by LMK, I think. Another station got in its way, so it was hard to catch. Oh, for God's sake.
Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now.